In heaven's eyes, there are no losers. In heaven's eyes, there's no hopeless cause. Only people like you with feelings like me, amazed by the grace we can find in heaven's eyes. I'm Dr. Wealthy Villanueva, and I am more popularly known as Dr. Winky. When I was 5 years old, yung sunod ko na brother died. So yung mom ko parang maloko-loko yung ano niya daw sa atin niya, and she wanted to commit suicide. She was encouraged by my dad to go on a medical mission trip. So she went to the Mangyansing, Mindoro, and when she came home, kasi I usually have my Bible stories before going to sleep, she told me of stories of the Mangyan tribe. But more than that, they don't know Jesus. So sabi ko, when I grow up, I want to go to the tribal people and tell them about the love of God, but how better can I serve Him if I am a doctor? I started in residency in 2003. I felt whatever it was that I learned from med school wasn't enough. So, kailangan maging specialist ako. I wanted to be the best doctor I can be for them. Yung the best training lang talaga would be family and community medicine. So, I was supposed to graduate in 2005, but I got diagnosed with cancer in 2003. So, I had to stop residency training so that I can go through my treatment. 5 years old pa lang ako, alam ko ng purpose ko, ay pupunta talaga ako sa mga katutubo. Pupunta ako doon. So, nagpagamot ako para mabuhay. And so, I was passed on to the next batch. I graduated 2006. Kasi it was really worth it. I felt na what I went through having cancer was something that God also orchestrated so that I would be more compassionate, be more understanding of what patients were going through. I remember kasi yung last rotation ko was hospice care. And, when people come to me and I have to be able to diagnose them, to tell them their diagnosis, I can hold their hand and say, I've been there. In the same way that God saw me through, I know He will be with you. I am the Executive Director of Heaven's Eyes Tribal Missions Incorporated, an NGO that serves tribal communities in Palawan. And I am also a faculty associate professor of the Palawan State University School of Medicine. 8 yung community, they were dubbed by the Philippine Inquirer as the Vanishing Tribe. Tapos, they were less than 1,000 in number. Maglalakad kami na 4 oras. Init ang araw, halo lahat ng sipon, luha, pawis. Ang layo. Pero hindi mo kaakalain na magagawa ko pa. I'm stage 4 actually. No? Naghihintay lang ako kung kailan ako magiging terminal. They were asking me, Doktora, bakit ka nagpapagod para sa mga taong yan? Gasino lang yung gagawin ko na maglingkod para sa kanya, na ma-spread ko rin yung pagmamahal niya sa ibang tao through health. Kakapiranggot lang yung paglilingkod na yon in exchange doon sa kaligtasan binigay sa ating liba ng Panginoon. Wala na akong ibang papangarapin pa kasi I only live for the applause of one. Kahit anong awards ang maibigay sa akin, that's nothing compared to when I face Him and He will say, well done. At ito ang aking kwentong TFCM. Inaanyayahan ko po kayo na dumalo sa ating alumni homecoming sa February 26, 2026. See you there!